Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the Steam client and sign in with your account credentials. This must be the same account you use on other devices for Cloud Sync. From the top menu, choose Steam, then Settings, select the Cloud tab, and enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for supported applications. Confirm that each game's individual properties also allow cloud saves. Then restart Steam so the client applies settings and begins uploading local save files to your cloud storage automatically. Right-click a game in your library and choose Properties to manage its Steam Cloud option. This overrides the global setting for that title. In the General tab, tick Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for that title, so Steam will upload and download saves automatically across devices. Close Properties and launch the game once to trigger the initial upload of local save files. Watch the client tray icon or game properties to confirm the upload completes before switching devices. If Steam reports a cloud conflict when launching a game, read the timestamps and choose the newer save to avoid losing progress across devices. Steam will offer a clear prompt listing local and cloud save dates. Ensure both devices have internet access and the Steam client is fully updated so uploads and downloads complete. Large save files may take longer on slow connections. To verify, open Steam on another PC or use the mobile app or web interface to check save dates and file sizes and confirm the cloud copy matches your latest progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.